Got a great question from Sean on LinkedIn, who's asking, from your experience living in Korea, is there anything you think American culture could learn from Korean culture? Love this question, Sean. As soon as I read it, I thought of three things pretty quickly. So let's talk about three aspects of Korean culture I definitely think America could learn from. Then at the end, I got one that I think Korea could learn from America. Before we start, keep in mind that these are general, people are all unique, and don't cancel me. So the first thing I love about Korean culture is that people are not entitled. For those who don't know, an entitled person is one who expects all these good things in life to be given to them, but doesn't actually work to earn them. Overall, Korean people are hard workers. If they have a goal, they're willing to do the work to achieve it. They want to earn their accomplishments, and I respect that a lot. I think a lot of cultures could benefit from having more of that mindset. Second, I love how family-oriented Korean culture is, especially with multiple generations. Not just parents, but grandparents are often very involved in children's lives. As children grow up and become adults, they still have really close relationships with their parents and make an effort to keep their family strong. Maybe sometimes Korean parents are a little bit too involved in their children's lives, but overall, I think America could really learn from that and benefit from having stronger family bonds. Third, I love how safe Korea is. The chances of you getting robbed or assaulted in Korea are extremely low. And that's great. We should all live in a society where we feel safe. One example of just how safe it is in Korea was back in 2018, I was at a crowded art museum in Seoul. There were hundreds of people walking around. Someone there had plugged their phone charger into the wall at the museum and just left their phone there charging. If that was in America, you would never do that because that phone would get stolen within a few minutes. However, Korea is so safe that people often feel comfortable like leaving their bag at a table while going to the restroom because they know nobody's going to take their stuff. That being said, living in Korea also helped me appreciate some of the great aspects of American culture. One thing I love and that I think Korea could learn from is that in America, there is much less social pressure to follow a single acceptable path in life. Celebrating being unique, being an individual, and following your own dreams are some of the best qualities of life in the US. It's definitely getting better, but there's still a lot of pressure in Korea to follow one conventional path in life. This is especially true for children and teenagers. When I first worked at an English academy for middle schoolers, sometimes I would ask them, what do you want to do as an adult? Most of them either said, I don't know, because they're so busy studying that they don't have time to pursue their interests, or they would say, my parents want me to be a doctor, lawyer, whatever. That's unfortunate. I would change that, and thankfully, I do think the attitude is shifting, but there's still some ways to go. So yeah, I hope that was interesting, Sean. I hope it was interesting to all of you watching. I do have a few other videos about America and different business cultures. You're welcome to check those out if you like. I will put the links below. Thanks for watching this one, and I will see you in the next one.